is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current everyday makeup routine. It's not this makeup. This is too glam to be worn every single day for me. It's like a very easy, no makeup routine. Most of the products that I've been using are new. I've never used those before. I know I was stuck in a rut where I was using the same 5-6 products over and over again, and I thought it was a good idea to make this video because A, I really like my routine, and B, because of the new products. So every chance I get, every time I step out of my house, either if it's for essentials or to run really important errands, this is the makeup look. Not this, the one that I'm gonna show you is the makeup look. Of course, for my work, I do wear makeup, like to film videos, but there's just something about like stepping out, getting dolled up is something that I really miss. So I make the most of it every time I step out. So if you're interested in knowing what I do for my everyday no makeup routine, then keep on watching. So I'm already done with my skincare. I do have an in-depth skincare routine, so do check that out. Before I get started with my base, I do want to show you what my skin looks like. I broke out really badly on my cheeks. I don't know if it's mask or what honestly it is. I have no idea, but I broke out the next day, like after I posted my skincare routine. So I don't know what happened there, but it's much better now. Everything's flat, but the pimples did leave some scars. So it's gonna take a few, obviously, weeks to heal, but just wanted to update you on that. Let's get started with the base. So this is what I've been using for my base. This is the Bobbi Brown's Skin Long Wear Fluid Powder Foundation. Now this does say that it's a foundation, and also, by the way, this does have SPF 20, which is why I really like it, because I don't need to use SPF separately. Now this does say that it is a foundation, but honestly it's like a BB cream because it's so thin, and I personally like to apply it with my fingers. So I just take it and apply it on the centers of my face, and I just literally rub this in. It's very sheer and very lightweight. Once I like blend it all in, I can't even feel like there's anything on my face, which is perfect because you don't want to have like a cake face for like a day to day. By the way, I do know this is very expensive, so an alternative to that would be taking your regular foundation, mixing in a little bit of moisturizer, and then applying that on your face. Personally, having medium to dark skin tone, I know the struggle of finding a BB cream with a shade that matches you. I personally have never been able to find a BB cream that matches me. If you're lighter in skin tone, of course you can go with the Garnier one, the Pond's one. They are really good, but I wish I could use them, but they don't have my shade. So 90% of the time this is all I'll do for my base, but if I'm feeling a little bit more fancy, if I want to amp it up a little bit, I'll go in with a concealer. This is the LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer, and I'll only apply it here in the inner corners because that's where the darkness is. Most amount of darkness, at least. I've also done a little bit around my mouth because most Indian girls at least tend to have hyperpigmentation around their mouth. Even I do. So I just conceal it, and then I'm using a sponge just to blend everything out, and I'm pressing it right there. I'm not taking it बहुत नीचे, वहीं के वहीं I'm pressing it in. And then I swipe the rest on my lids because my lids are darker as compared to the rest of my face. So this is the powder that I've been using. This is the LA Girls powder. So since I really enjoy using the concealer, I actually love the concealer, so I thought the powder will also be good, and it is actually very good. The shade is slightly darker for me, as you can see, but like when I look at it in natural lighting under like sunlight, it looks fine. So that's just what I've been using. I use this powder basically on my entire face because I am very oily, and also this powder has really good coverage. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll use just this powder. I'll skip on the Bobbi Brown foundation altogether and just does this powder all over because I mean you can see it's really good coverage. Before I do my brows, I'll always shave them a little bit because I hate having like extra hair around my eyebrows. So almost every day or every other day I'll shave all the excess very quickly. Since I do shave it so often, there isn't a lot. It's just like 1 or 2 hair. So it's very quick and very easy. As for my brows, this is a new product that I've been using. Actually, I've been using this for a month. So this is Benefit's Gimme Brow. Again, it's a little bit expensive, but that's why I got the smallest one available. And I think it's so worth it because I feel like in my everyday makeup routine, the most amount of time I tend to spend is doing my brows. So this cuts down on so much time. Now, whenever I use this product, I get rid of most of the product like so, and then I'll start from my end and I'll just brush through my brows. Honestly, you just want to follow the natural shape of your brows, and if I need to shape them a little bit, I'll use the tip, like how you would use a pencil. Use this the same way and just give your brows a little bit more structure, but always start from the tail and then work your way towards the inner corners of your eyes. That's it for my brows. Very natural, but little bit more structure than before. If you struggle with your brow hair getting all over the place, try this pomade out. Not pomade, it's more like a gel, because it's really going to keep your brows in place. So you guys know that I love wing liners, but I think it's a little bit too much for an everyday. So what I do is I try to create a wing liner but using some eyeshadow. I personally like to use a bronzer, or you could even use your brow powder if that's what you like. I personally really like what a bronzer does, so I'll just take some and line my eyes like so. This way you have a wing liner also. Your eyes get some definition, but at the same time it's not too harsh. I am using like an angled brush, and I'm gonna make like a fake wing liner. So if you're not very good at doing wing liners, or if you're like a beginner, I think try this out, because isme even if you like make a mistake, you can't really tell because the product that you're using is very, very light. It's not very pigmented, so you can get away with a lot of your mistakes. This is also super quick. It took me like 20 seconds, I guess, to do this. Mascara, need mascara in my life. This is the one that I love, and what I've been using is the Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes Mascara. I personally really like this mascara. I know a lot of people hate it, but I honestly really like it. I know why people could hate it. It's because it's very clumpy. Like, it can get clumpy very easily, which is why you always remove the excess product and start with minimum amount of product that you can use. So I use both the volumizing and the lengthening side of the mascara, and it gives me the most dramatic lashes ever. It almost looks like I have falsies on, which is why I really like this mascara. But yeah, definitely you need to be very careful with it because it can get clumpy and messy very easily. I use the lengthening side for my bottom lashes. This is the reason why mascara is my favorite product. Just look at like the difference it makes to like your entire face. I've mentioned this before, but in case you want like a cheaper alternative, you can just buy 2 drugstore mascaras, like the Maybelline Lash Sensational and the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and honestly it'll do a very, very similar job. It's like a 19-20 ka farak, but you can do that and you can save a lot of money. So for blush, I use this Nykaa's lipstick. What is it called? It's called their Mattelicious lip crayon. So what I'll do is I'll just take some, ऐसे हाथ पे रब कर दूंगी warm up करने के लिए. Beauty sponge से pick up करके just apply a little bit here. I know there are so many blushes available, so you're probably thinking, why are you using this? I don't know, I just love the finish of this. It looks very natural and your cheeks look like really nice flushed. It's pretty. So the lip color obviously keeps changing. Today, I think I'm going to use this one, the same one that we use for blush. And then I'm also going to go with this mini lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Gulabe. I think these Smashbox minis are great. You get 2 for 900 rupees, I believe. The formula of these lipsticks is honestly everything. Very, very long lasting. Actually, I'm going to top it off with this other lipstick from Nykaa. It's called Jane. Love this shade on its own also. It's so beautiful. Also, I really like this lip shade from Nykaa, which is in the shade Chai. Actually, let me swatch it for you guys. It's a very like deep brown color. Perfect for fall. Swatching Jane as well for you guys. So pretty, right? So this is where I'll stop. I don't like using highlighter, but if you want a recommendation, try this one out from Nykaa. Actually, let me just apply and show it to you guys. I personally don't like to apply it because पता नहीं, I don't like to wear highlighter for like a day to day. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है. But अगर कभी mood हो गया तो I'll take the slightest bit on my finger and I'll blend it out. Very, very pigmented. So be careful with this. And yeah, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and I'm gonna make sure to link all the products that I've mentioned in the description box below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Day 10 is gonna be an Instagram based giveaway. In order to participate, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Ski on Apparels, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye!